Now we are gonna start cooking. Now we are gonna add 2/3 cup of flour. Add it. Be careful with my phone. Now we are gonna add salt. 1/4 cup of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I always get confused in cups and teaspoons. Now, half teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix it once. Now let's add half cup of sugar. Careful. Now mix again. Okay. Let's add butter now. Shall I add? Okay. Is it stuck? It's not falling. It's stuck in the cup. Let's add it to this spoon that's left from the salt. Oh, get out! Okay, it's getting out. It was stuck to the cup because butter is so sticky and slippery. Okay, now I will add 1 egg. Let's add now few drops of vanilla essence. That's enough. And now we'll mix it. You don't have to mix it. You hold this cup. Here, you take that. It's so hard now, so I will add some milk to it. So it become quite softer. Now I'm gonna add some more milk. Enough. It's not looking nice. But it's okay. Now let us add this batter to the cupcake molds. Muskan, will you add this more cupcake batter in this mold? Now let's bake these cupcakes at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Now our cupcakes are ready. Now let's take our cupcakes. Toothpick came out clean, so they are ready. So now let us taste them. Hope you like our recipe. If you did, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel.